Hello. Okay, so first off, yes, I look super cottagecore today, don't I? My great-grandmother actually hand-sewed this, and my mother did offer to press it beforehand, so no comments about it being wrinkly. I'm like really excited for this video, but I'm also a little bit nervous because this is probably the most extensive cooking thing I've wanted to do. We're making muffins. I have never made muffins, I don't think. Maybe as simple as like box muffins, but we're making like muffins from scratch muffins. It's another popsugar fitness recipe. Their food always looks so good. But yes, we're making muffins. I'm a little bit nervous. Hopefully this goes better than the birthday cake situation. I mean, that was a boxed cake, so it should come better than it did, but you know. I specifically positioned you in a place on my counter where I can tilt you down and work on the counter like in front of you and like get a different angle. I know, I thought ahead, you guys. Aren't you proud of me? Yeah, what else do I have to say before we get started? How else can I procrastinate? Oh yeah, so literally all day in my head, this is what's been playing in my head. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man? The Muffin Man! All day, that's what has been going through my brain because we're making muffins. But yeah, let's get to it. Ooh, oh, and look, I have a weapon this time. Look, we got a mixer, you guys. I know, it's gonna help so much. We got both bears, we're teamed up. So we're making, I forgot what these are even called, sugar-free apple cinnamon oatmeal muffins. Now the only ingredient we do not have that it requires or says it requires is some flax meal, but it's only a tablespoon. So like I feel like we're fine without it. I guess it's not added sugar, but I am gonna put like a drizzle of honey on top of them because I like sugar. Plus it's a muffin. If it starts to get too sweet, it tastes like a cupcake. You know? I haven't even started cooking and I'm already sweaty. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna switch camera angles because I'm fancy like that now. And we're gonna start off the flax meal that I don't have, so we're not doing that. Okay, there's a lot going on. In the measuring cup, we can whisk together the non-dairy milk, apple cider vinegar, and set that aside a few minutes to curdle. That's weird. We're making vegan buttermilk. You guys, we're making vegan buttermilk. This is way more extensive than I thought. Now we gotta focus on the fruit. So we gotta mash those bananas, chop up those apples as finely as possible, and then put them all together. In the large bowl, we will be mashing the bananas, throw those in there, and add applesauce, vanilla, and milk mixtures. Okay, I feel like this needed to be a not time lapse of the curdled milk. I can't even tell if it's curdled or not, but it's time to pour it in, so. It's been there the whole time I was chopping, so hopefully it curdled kind of. And then a separate bowl, we mix together flour, oats, cinnamon, baking soda, and salt. And then we add all of those dry ingredients with the wet as well. And then we scoop them into the muffin cups and we just bake them. Okay. Okay, so I've made them. They're all ready to go. Now this recipe did say that it would make 15, but I'm actually making 18, so bonus. Some of them are a little less there than the others, but man, was that a chonky batter. Oh my goodness. I didn't even get to use my fun tool that I found. I did end up adding like an extra splash of almond milk because it was just so dry that I couldn't even mix it. And I'm glad I did. I think they're gonna be better that way. But yeah, now it's time to throw them in the oven. I'm gonna roll up my sleeves like the domestic goddess I am. And they're gonna go in for 25 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna put in for 25 and then I'm gonna do the toothpick check. Here we go. I really don't need the glove, but I'm paranoid. 1, 2, and the last one. Come here. 3. Awesome. It's melting my makeup off. Okay, set the timer for 25 minutes. It's hot. I will see you in a bit, and hopefully I have successfully made muffins for the first time. It was honestly so calming, just chopping away at those apples and then smashing that banana. Like, I should do this stuff more often. It's so nice. Okay, I'll see you soon with muffins. Welcome back. The timer is dinging, so it's been 25 minutes. We're gonna check on them with our toothpick. I'm gonna grab a toothpick. I'm just so excited. By the way, I finally ate some food while they were cooking, so I'm not starving now, so I'm functioning better. Let's check it out. Heat. Okay, so the muffins are done. I did the toothpick check in the oven, but of course, my phone said it was filming, and then I don't know where the footage went, so we're filming this ending. I did the toothpick check. I was considering putting some extra honey on them, but honestly, they smell amazing and look so good. And it's probably been like 10-15 minutes, so is that long enough to try one? I want to try a muffin, but which muffin? They all look perfect. I think I'm gonna go with this big chunky one right here in the front row center. You guys, it's a muffin. Okay, hopefully they peel pretty nice. Okay, they're a little sticky. You guys. The apples are so good. You guys. Well, you have to make these muffins. Adjust them however you need to, but you need to make these muffins. They're absolutely delicious and they're perfect for fall. Like, you could make a whole thing of it and go apple picking in the whole 9 yards. Oh my gosh, that'd be so cute. But if you like this video, subscribe and hit that notification bell. I try to post every Sunday at noon Eastern time, except for last Sunday, and life got in the way. That happens sometimes. Like this video if you liked it, and comment down below other recipes I should try. I'm like literally drooling, and it's making it hard to talk. If you want to follow me on TikTok, I am at Pauline Makes TikToks. You can also follow me on Instagram at Pauline Does Things, and if you end up making these muffins, please tag me and show me your creations. I have to finish biting this muffin off of the paper and probably eat yet another one and then save the rest. Okay, I think that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again soon for another thing. I don't know what we're doing. I think next week is a vlog of some kind, and I will see you again. Bye, everybody. Swoopy sleeves, swoopy sleeves. I look like a fairy. I just figured out I look like a fairy. Bye.